What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about the crypto market. We're going to be talking about what is crypto winter and why this is so good for long-term investors. So, definitely stick around to the end of the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And also, this video is brought to you by me. So yes, definitely check out marcellus.beatstars.com if you need any background music for your YouTube channel, or if you just need some beats for your music. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So first, let's talk about what crypto winter is. And pretty much what crypto winter is, it came from the Game of Thrones. So winter is coming. And that's pretty much what they said when everything was about to go was everything was just about to break loose. There's about to be conflict all over the lands. And that's pretty much what's happening inside of crypto. Everything is going down and everything stays down for a substantial amount of time. So since crypto winter is now coming, or I believe crypto winter is here, there's going to be huge opportunities for people that are investing for the long term. If you're just coming in for the short term, there's probably not going to be much opportunity for you here for crypto winter. So yeah, that's pretty much what everything is for crypto winter when everything's going to be down for a long period of time. Now we're going to talk about how long this is going to last, when this actually started, and the good benefits of this. So first, let's go over to this article by Forbes, and they pretty much explain it pretty well here, and I already explained it. It's pretty much when everything goes down and it remains low for an extended period of time. It's pretty simple, but there's a little bit more to it and the reasons why crypto winter happened. So for one, we had the Russian and Ukraine conflict, and we all know what happened there, and it's still going on, but it's not really affecting crypto anymore. But what's really affecting crypto now is the high inflation that we're having inside the US. It's really bad right now. I mean, the US dollar is becoming strong all over the place, like all over the globe, which, and it pretty much makes crypto go down because as the US dollar becomes stronger, people rather hold dollars than they would want to hold crypto. So that's another reason. And then you had Terra USD completely crashing and Luna completely collapsing, which made a whole domino effect in the cryptos, which also, made crypto winter become more prominent. So there's a lot of reasons why this is happening. We've dropped so much money out of the crypto market, like literally. So as you can see here, November 2021, the crypto market has dropped 60% drastically falling from the $3 trillion to less than $1 trillion market cap. And actually, if you go over here and look at it, you can see our market cap inside of crypto is very low, $984 million. So, all right, $984 billion, not million. If it was million, we would all be completely messed up. But yeah, $984 billion is the market cap right now for crypto. It was actually way lower than that, but we kind of, had a recovery here inside crypto, which I do believe to be a bull trap. So I'm just going to be completely straightforward. I think this is a bull trap. I mentioned this in all my technical analysis videos, but it's still a good opportunity to make some money on your short-term trades. But right now, I think we're going to be going down again. Now, there are advantages of crypto winter. So they also explain some of their advantages. I'm going to explain some of mine. So right now, the best advantage of crypto winter is buying at the very, very bottom. Like it's impossible to buy at the very bottom, but buying like near the bottom is what you really want to do. Like we already hit 17K with Bitcoin. And the fact that Bitcoin went that low, it just kind of shows you the opportunities that we have inside of this crypto winter. Because if this is a bull trap, then we're almost more than likely going to go back down to 17K and possibly 15K Bitcoin. So just imagine buying Bitcoin at 15K, running it up to 100K. Like we already made a 70K Bitcoin. Like if you look back here, we already did some huge numbers to buy Bitcoin. Well, 69K Bitcoin. Still, I still want to say 70K, but 69K Bitcoin, that's a lot of money. So just imagine Bitcoin going back up to 69K from 15K if we go back down to 15K. So like let's just say you have $100,000, right? And then let's just say your life savings or something, and then you want to put it inside of Bitcoin. All you would have to do is go over here, divide that by the current price of Bitcoin, or let's just say 15K, because this is a bull trap in my personal opinion. I think it's gonna go down. So we're probably gonna see that bull trap. So you would just multiply that now by the 69K that we were already at. So let's just say 70K. So that would literally be $466,000. Your 100,000 going to 466,000 if you buy at 15K in Bitcoin and you run it back up to the 70K area. So there's huge opportunity here for the crypto winter. There's huge opportunity to make a bunch of money. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This is just what I'm going to be doing personally. If you want to do it too, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm going to be buying Bitcoin when it continues to go down because I believe this to be a bull trap. But anyways, they say this is not the first time a crypto winter has settled over the market, and that's very true. Actually, if you come over here to Bitcoin's price, you look at the max. We already had a crypto winter inside of 2017. Look at how crypto peaked around the 10th of December, 22nd December, somewhere around the mid-December of 2017, right? And then it literally went down, 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 all the way to the next December of 2018. So literally for a full year, we were inside crypto winter mode, and even somewhat into 2019. And then we start to pump mid 2019, but then we keep going down, and the crypto winter continues to take over the market. So really, from 2017 to 2020, that was like a whole crypto winter period. Now, then we start to come inside of this area where, boom, now it's the winter time inside 2020, and then we continue to pump all the way up until April 2021, do a little bit of a pullback. So that's not even crypto winter, and then we pump again. Now, our current situation started over here inside like the 6th of November last year, which was not that long ago. It's literally like 7, 8 months ago. Literally, we've been going down since then. So if you look at that here from the 1 year point of view and you just kind of study this, we've been in crypto winter since November of last year. So look at this at 67K November of last year, really around 69K, 67K, somewhere around there. And then look, we just were pulling back the whole winter time, even the whole time of this month. We've been in crypto winter since November of last year. So that's how long we've been here. And a lot of people don't believe that we have been. They think, oh no, it could only be when it's winter time. No, crypto winter is not only just winter time. It'll start in the winter time and then it'll keep going. It'll keep dragging itself out because as you can see, winter time, it started around November. So coming into winter, going into December, like we just been pulling back since then. So yeah, we've been going down ever since then. So anyways, they say we know from the experience that crypto winter is like a conventional bear market. So I like to see it as a huge opportunity to just buy all your cryptos at a discount. So if you go over here and you look at Ethereum, just think about Ethereum's max at $4,800, right? Ethereum all the way down here at 1,100. Ethereum even dropped below its below $1,000, literally down to 897,000 or $897. That was a huge opportunity to buy in on Ethereum. And yeah, a lot more cryptos are doing this. Like you can buy in on Ethereum at $800 and then run it back up all the way up to that $5,000 point. So just think about the opportunities to make money. There's even bigger opportunity to make money on Ethereum rather than Bitcoin. And then you get to the lower altcoins, then you really start to hit the huge opportunities. Not like a low cap, like $1 million market cap altcoins. Those altcoins aren't going to last. But when we're talking about stuff that has like um, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million market cap, I think some of those are going to last. But anyways, let's do some math here with Ethereum. So let's just say you want to take $100,000, like how we did with Bitcoin, and then you want to buy Ethereum at $800, right? That's going to give you 125 Ethereum. So you're going to take your 125 Ethereum and you're going to multiply it by our highest peak inside Ethereum. Now it was 4,800. We're just going to round it to 5,000 because we're going to go higher than that. So that's going to be 625,000. So your 100K making you 499,000 inside of Bitcoin will make you 625,000 inside of Ethereum. So there's a huge potential to make money here, and especially inside Ethereum. If you go ahead and you look at Ethereum and Bitcoin, typically Ethereum is pumping more than Bitcoin. It's only 0.2% more than Bitcoin, but usually Bitcoin will be like up 10%, Ethereum up 18%. So you'll see crazy numbers like that. But yeah, Bitcoin, huge opportunity when crypto market. Well, the crypto winter is already in effect. So the crypto market is down. The crypto winter is already in effect. So you have huge opportunity to get Bitcoin at a discount price, especially when it goes lower. And it's not at the lowest point. I don't believe it's at the lowest point it'll be right now. And then you got Ethereum, got a huge opportunity buying Ethereum. And then you got a huge opportunity buying Cardano. Just look at this steep downturn for all these cryptos. There's a huge opportunity to buy these cryptos at a very good price. Imagine getting Cardano at its lowest point in over 2 years at 1 cent. Imagine getting Cardano at 1 cent. You would have so much money if you got Cardano at 1 cent, literally. But now you have the opportunity to buy it at 50 cents and run it back up to about $3. So there's huge opportunity in all these different cryptos. Dogecoin. Imagine getting Dogecoin at 0.00000869, which is not possible again. We're not going to get that low in that side Dogecoin. I just don't believe that'll happen. But still, there's a huge opportunity to buy Dogecoin as well. Dogecoin at 6 cents, you could run it all the way back up to about 70 cents if it were to get that high again, because the whole Saturday Night Live thing was what brought Dogecoin all the way up there to those peaks. Dogecoin has a possibility of reaching $1. It just needs Elon Musk to promote it. Let's be completely honest. It's a meme coin. It needs Elon Musk to push it, and it needs the community to push it along with Elon Musk. But yeah, there's a huge opportunity in all these cryptos. Shiba Inu, there's a huge opportunity. As you can see, everything else up like 4%, but you got Shiba Inu up 29% for the last 24 hours. So yeah, there's a huge opportunity here for crypto winter, especially for the traders. If you just want to get in and do a little day trade or something like that, you can do that. And this is the proof of that, like 29% up. There's huge opportunities here inside the crypto winter for long-term investors and short-term investors. If you just want to trade, you want to get in, get out. You could have made 29% on Shiba Inu. But yeah, there's huge opportunities here. Tron, you got all these other cryptos making huge comebacks that could happen after the crypto winter. We could have these huge comebacks. But anyways, a lot of people are saying crypto winter started in November 2021. That's exactly where I thought that it started. And that's where I see it started. So anyways, this is pretty much all I have for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. Let me know what you all are going to do about this crypto winter. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And this video is brought to you by me, myself, and I, which is marsellis.beatstars.com if you want background music for your YouTube channel, or if you just want beats for your music, go ahead and check that out. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.